Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Of course. How can I help?
I'm looking for a coffee shop nearby.
There's a nice one just around the corner.
Around the corner. Which way?
Turn right at the traffic light.
Right at the traffic light. Okay.
Then walk straight for about 1 minute.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, it has a big green sign. You can't miss it.
What's the name of the coffee shop?
It's called Morning Brew.
Morning Brew. Got it.
They have excellent coffee. I go there every day.
That's a good recommendation. Thank you.
Are you new to this area?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. Everyone is so friendly here.
It's a nice community. You'll like it.
Is there a supermarket nearby too?
Yes, there's one on Main Street.
How far is that from here?
About a 10-minute walk or 2 minutes by car.
Which direction is Main Street?
Go straight down this road. You'll see it.
This road goes to Main Street.
Yes, the supermarket is on the left side.
Left side. I'll remember that.
It's next to the bank, a big building.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. Happy to help.
You've been very kind.
Enjoy your coffee. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks again.
Bye. Welcome to the neighborhood again.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please sit down.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does. That's where I'm going too.
Oh, good. I was worried I got on the wrong bus.
No, you're on the right one. Bus 42.
How long does it take to get there?
About 20 minutes, maybe 25 with traffic.
That's not too bad.
Rush hour is worse. It can take 40 minutes.
I'll remember that for next time.
Where exactly do you need to go?
I'm going to the shopping mall. Central Mall.
That's the biggest one.
Yes, that one. Is it near a bus stop? The bus stop's right in front of it. Perfect. That's so convenient.
It's about 5 stops from here.
Should I press the button to stop?
Yes, press it before your stop.
I'll watch carefully.
I can tell you when we're close.
That would be very helpful. Thank you.
Do you take the bus often?
Not really. I usually drive.
The bus is cheaper and less stressful.
You're right. No parking problems either.
Exactly. I sold my car 2 years ago.
Wow, that's a big change.
Best decision I ever made.
Maybe I should try taking the bus more. Oh, our stop is coming up. 2 more stops. Already? That was fast. See, faster than driving sometimes. Thank you for all your help today. My pleasure. Enjoy your shopping.
Hi there. Welcome to Sunny Cafe.
Hello. This place looks really cozy.
Thank you. Is this your first time here?
Yes, a friend recommended it.
That's lovely. Please take a seat anywhere.
Can I sit by the window?
Of course. Great choice. Nice view.
Thank you. Can I see the menu?
Here you go. Take your time.
What's your most popular coffee?
Our vanilla latte is the best seller.
Is it very sweet?
It's medium sweet. We can adjust it.
Can I have it less sweet?
Absolutely. Half sweetness?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
Hot or iced?
Iced, please. It's warm today.
Would you like anything to eat?
What do you recommend?
Our sandwiches are fresh, made this morning.
What kinds do you have?
Chicken, tuna, and vegetable.
I'll try the chicken sandwich.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
Do you have any cakes?
Yes, chocolate, cheesecake, and carrot cake.
The cheesecake looks delicious.
It's homemade, very creamy.
I'll have a slice of cheesecake too.
So that's 1 iced vanilla latte, less sweet,
Correct?
1 chicken sandwich, and 1 cheesecake.
Yes, that's everything.
Your total is $18.50.
Can I pay with card?
Of course. Tap or insert here.
Done. Thank you.
Your order will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. I'll enjoy the view while I wait.
The Wi-Fi password is on the table if you need it.
Great. Thank you so much.
Good evening. Welcome to Grand Hotel.
Good evening. I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
Roberts, Michael Roberts.
Let me check. Roberts.
Yes, that's correct.
I found it. 2 nights, checking out Thursday.
That's right.
You booked a deluxe room with city view.
Yes. Is the room ready?
Yes, it is. Room 712 on the 7th floor.
Great. Does the room have a balcony?
Yes, all our deluxe rooms have balconies.
Wonderful. What's the Wi-Fi password?
The password is Grandest2024.
Let me write that down. Grandest 2024.
It's also on a card in your room.
Good to know. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10:30 a.m.
Where is the restaurant?
On the ground floor, turn left from the elevators.
Is breakfast included in my booking?
Let me check. Yes, it's included.
Perfect. I'm happy to hear that.
Is there anything else you need?
Is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, on the 3rd floor, open 24 hours.
Excellent. I like to exercise in the morning.
Here's your key card. Don't lose it.
I'll keep it safe.
The elevator is down the hall on your right.
Thank you. Is there parking available?
Yes, underground parking. $15 per night.
I'll use it. I have a rental car.
Just show this card at the parking entrance.
Thank you for all the information.
Enjoy your stay, Mr. Roberts.
I'm sure I will. Good night.
This supermarket is huge. Where do we start?
Let's get a shopping cart first.
Good idea. Here's one.
Do you have the shopping list?
Yes, it's on my phone. Let me open it.
What's the first item?
Bread. We need whole wheat bread.
The bakery section is over there.
I see it. Let's go.
This bread is fresh. It's still warm.
Perfect. Put it in the cart.
What else do we need?
Milk, eggs, and cheese.
The dairy section is in the back.
Why is it always in the back?
So you walk through the whole store.
Smart marketing strategy.
Here's the milk. Which one?
Low fat, please. The blue cap.
Got it. How many eggs?
A dozen should be enough.
These eggs are on sale. Buy one, get one free.
Great deal. Get 2 dozens then.
What kind of cheese?
Cheddar for sandwiches and mozzarella for pizza.
We're making pizza this weekend.
Yes, homemade pizza night.
I love that idea. What toppings?
Let's get pepperoni and mushrooms and some bell peppers.
Good idea. The vegetables are in aisle 3.
We also need tomato sauce. That's in the canned goods section.
Our cart is getting full.
One more thing. We need laundry detergent.
Aisle 7. I saw it earlier.
You remember everything.
I shop here often. I know the layout.
That's so helpful. Let's check out.
The self-checkout is faster.
Let's use that one.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to Active Fitness.
Thanks. I'd like to sign up.
Great. Do you already have a membership?
No, I'm new here.
No problem. What kind of program are you interested in?
What do you offer?
We have different options: yoga, swimming, and strength training.
I like yoga and maybe swimming too.
Awesome. We have yoga every Monday and Wednesday
What time?
at 6:30 p.m.
That works. How much is the membership?
It's $35 a month.
Okay, that's not too expensive. Do you have a free trial class?
Yes, your first class is free.
Perfect. When can I come?
Tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Great. I'll come tomorrow. What's your name?
I'm Michael. I'm one of the trainers. And you?
I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Michael. Do I need workout clothes?
Yes, comfortable clothes and sneakers are best.
Where can I buy them?
We have a small shop here, and there's also a sporting goods store nearby.
Oh, convenient. Thanks. Do you have lockers?
Yes, in the locker room.
Do I need to bring a lock?
No, we have digital lockers.
Nice. Do you have showers?
Yes, showers are available and towels are included.
Great. What hours are you open?
From 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah, we're open on weekends too.
Perfect. I work a lot.
Then evenings might be best for you.
Definitely. Do you sell drinks?
Yes, we have water and sports drinks.
How much is a bottle of water?
$2.
Okay. Can I bring my own bottle?
Of course.
Great. Can you help me with a workout plan?
Sure. I'll help you tomorrow.
Thanks. That's really nice.
No problem.
Do you have parking?
Yes, behind the building.
Great. I'm driving.
Sounds good. See you tomorrow, Sarah.
See you tomorrow, Michael. Thanks.
Bye.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How can I help you today?
I'd like to send a package to Spain.
Sure. Do you know how much it weighs?
I'm not sure. Can you weigh it?
Yes. Please place it on the scale.
Okay, here you go. It weighs about 4.5 pounds, 2 kilograms.
How much will that cost?
Shipping to Spain is $28.
That's fine. How long will it take?
Around 5 to 7 business days.
Do you have express shipping?
Yes, Express takes 2 business days.
How much is express?
$55.
That's expensive. I'll take the regular shipping.
No problem. Would you like insurance?
What's that?
It protects your package if it gets lost or damaged.
How much is it?
$5 extra.
Okay, I'll add insurance.
Great. What's inside the package?
Books and clothes. Any restricted items like liquids, batteries, or anything hazardous?
No, just books and clothes.
Perfect. Where in Spain is it going?
Madrid.
Do you have the address?
Yes, here it is.
Thanks. One moment.
No problem.
Who's the recipient?
Maria Rodriguez.
And your return address?
I live at 12 Park Street.
Great. Here's your receipt with the tracking number.
Can I track it?
Yes, online on our website.
What's the website?
USPS.com.
Thanks, that's helpful.
Anything else?
Yes, do you sell stamps?
Yes. How many?
10 stamps, please.
Domestic or international?
Domestic. Okay, that'll be $7.30.
Here you go.
Thanks, here are your stamps.
Do you have envelopes?
Do you have envelopes?
How much is one envelope?
50 cents.
I'll take 5.
I'll take 5.
Here's $3.
Thanks, here's your change.
What time do you close?
At 6 p.m. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Goodbye.
Hi.
Hi, are you Miss Smith?
Yes, and you're Mr. Miller?
That's right. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this the apartment?
Yes, come on in.
Thanks. Oh, it's really bright.
Yes, it has large windows. I like that.
How many rooms does it have?
2 bedrooms and a living room, plus a small office space.
Perfect. I work from home sometimes.
Then it's a good fit.
Where's the kitchen?
Right here. The kitchen is brand new.
Nice. Very modern.
Yes, with new appliances.
Is there a stove?
Yes, and a refrigerator and dishwasher.
Great. Is the washer included?
Yes, it's in the laundry closet.
Can I see the bathroom?
Sure, this way.
The bathroom is spacious.
Yes, there's a bathtub and a shower.
Perfect. How much is the rent?
It's $1,600 per month, not including utilities.
What does that include?
Rent only. Utilities usually run about $200, depending on usage, so around $1,800 total approximately.
Is internet included?
No, you'll set that up yourself.
Okay. Is there a balcony?
Yes, right here.
Wow, nice view.
You can see the park.
Is parking available?
Yes, there's a garage spot for $75 extra per month.
I'll need parking.
Great. There's also a storage unit in the basement.
Nice. For bikes and stuff.
Exactly.
Are pets allowed?
Small pets are allowed. Cats are fine.
Great. I have a cat.
Then no problem.
When could I move in?
Starting on the 1st of next month.
Perfect. What do you need from me?
Proof of income and a credit check authorization.
Okay. I'll email everything.
Great. My email is on my card.
Thanks.
I'll get back to you soon.
When will I hear back?
In 3 to 5 business days.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Hi.
Hi. Do you have an appointment?
No, can you take walk-ins?
Yes, we can. One moment. No problem. Please have a seat.
Thanks. What's your name?
I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you, Lisa.
What can we do for you today?
I'd like a haircut. How much would you like off?
About 2 inches. Great. Just a cut. No color?
Just a cut. Would you like a wash?
Yes, please. Perfect. Right over to the sink. The water feels nice. Is the temperature okay?
Yes, perfect.
What kind of shampoo do you want?
What do you have?
Regular, dry hair, and oily hair shampoo.
I have dry hair. Got it.
That smells good. It's argan oil. Nice. All done. Back to the chair.
Okay.
Do you want it blunt or layered? Blends, please. Bangs or no bangs? No bangs. And I'll trim the split ends too. Yes, please. About shoulder length. Yes. Great. All done. How does that look? It looks really good. Want to blow dry? Yes, please. Straight. You got it.
How often do you come in for haircuts?
Every 3 months is perfect.
Great. How much do I owe you?
$45. Here's $50. Thanks. Here's $5 back. Keep it. That's a tip. Thank you. When should I come back? In 3 months. Can I book an appointment now? Sure. What day works? Saturday and May. Saturday, May 15th at 10 a.m. Perfect. See you then. Bye.
Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome to the Sunshine Hotel.
Thanks. I have a reservation.
What name is it under?
Thomas Weber.
One moment. Yes, I see it.
Great. You're staying 3 nights, correct?
Yes, until Sunday.
Perfect. You're in room 205, second floor.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, right over there.
Thanks. Is this a key card?
Yes, an electronic key card.
Nice. What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 a.m.
Where is it served?
In the ground floor restaurant.
Is it included?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Great. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, it's free.
What's the password?
Sunshine Hotel 2020.
Thanks. Is there a safe in the room?
Yes, every room has a safe.
Great. Is parking available?
Yes, behind the hotel, $15 per day.
Okay. What time is checkout?
By 11 a.m. on Sunday.
Can I check out late?
Yes, for $25.
Okay, I'll think about it.
No problem. Do you need anything else?
Is there a gym?
Yes, in the basement. Opens 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Perfect. Is there a restaurant?
Yes, it opens at 6 p.m.
Can I reserve a table for 7 p.m. tonight?
Absolutely. I'll take care of it.
Thanks. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks.